You clicked this video hoping I would teach you how to fight. Yet here I am standing on a ball. What does this have to do with fighting? Let me tell you. This is gonna sound like some serious paint the fence, wax on, wax off experience. Shout out Mr. Miyagi. But there's a method to the madness. In training, you could have perfect punches and kicks. But in a fight, without a proper foundation, it could all fall apart. The point of balance is designed to be used in unpredictable situations, but is useless if you don't have the hip strength to support it. This will benefit both. All right, this drill is going to somewhat mimic the unpredictability of being on one leg in the ring. So all you're gonna do is start with one leg up in chamber position. You're gonna jump switch and try and catch yourself. By doing that, you're mimicking being set off or like being pushed or just being off balance. So jump switch and stick it with a high chamber. And then we're gonna do the other side because we gotta train both sides. Stick it. You wanna do it until failure. The more tired your legs are, the more effective this drill is. Next drill, we have a kick hold rotation, which will work your stability and make your whole body cry. All you're gonna do is go up into front kick chamber, front kick out, then rotate your leg in the same direction as that leg that's out into side kick position. Then you're gonna bring it back into front kick chamber. That's your reset. Again, do that as many times as your body lets you. The most important aspect of this video that I'm going to leave you with is that this is one small piece of foundation. Fight game is way more than just a couple of drills. Let me know if you want more pieces, and I might make this a series.